Hello picnic goers, it's Teresa from the AAA kitchen. When my family and I go on a picnic, they want my famous pasta salad. It's made with ricotta cheese and creamy feta. It's delicious. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's get started. First, you will need to boil the pasta. For summer pasta salad, I like to use Penne, Rigatoni, or Fusilli. In a big bowl, blend ricotta cheese with creamy feta cheese, olive oil, and salt. Also, add in some pasta water to blend those two cheeses together nicely. Once the pasta's ready, throw it into that bowl. Mix away, shave in some delicious Parmigiano Reggiano, add in some basil leaves, and serve. Or store in the fridge for tomorrow's picnic. For more recipes and information on how to order our world-class cheeses, visit AAAcheese.com and don't forget to enter this season's giveaway contest.